I'm going to show you how to make the perfect porn star martini. I'm going to start 35ml vanilla vodka, 25ml Passoa, 25ml lime juice, 25ml passion fruit puree. You can swap that for a passion fruit juice if you haven't got the puree, and finish up with 50ml pineapple juice. Ice and shaker. The harder you shake, the colder it gets, the more frothy your porn star will be. So give it a good shake. Done. Then double strain into your coupe glass. And then we're going to garnish that with half a passion fruit, served with a glass of Prosecco. And there you have it, the perfect porn star martini, done in around 30 seconds.